my muscles are so sore.
Why can't I make this?
Oh my gosh.
Dang it! Man, I'm so stressed and I can't get anything right.
Come on, guys. I know we're better than this. Let's get back to the great performers we are.
Yeah.
We need a strong spa.
We headed to Northumberland, PA to visit Strong's headquarters to see exactly how they make spas for their customers. The Strong Spa workforce is like a family. They invited us to help create the mold for the spa we need.
The coolest thing about manufacturing and being in this role, I don't just use my soft skills, my communication skills. I also have the opportunity to use my hard skills, which are my building skills, my fabrication skills, my molding skills. I get to use all of those skills on a daily basis, and that's pretty cool.
And I was looking for employment to try to get my life back in order to just move on a straight path, you know what I mean? I think that Strong Spas taking second chance, people to get their life back in order. And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
So just in case you were wondering, that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
There goes our spa. It will be delivered to us soon.
I'm so happy the school got us a spa day for working out. My muscles are sore and I can work better.
Let's go!
Yay!
I'm so glad we got to go to Strong Spas.
I know. I'm so much more relaxed and I can focus on my work. I know. I finally got an A+ again.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.